So what's up guys, it's your boy zweihid the gamer, and today we are playing Subway Surfers. So guys, in the last Subway Surfers episode, I did a challenge. Like it was like if I reach the score 3,000, I win. Yeah, but today we are gonna make it harder, dude. Today, if I get the score 10,000 and I don't reach, and if I don't get more than 10 coins, I win. Yes. And if I get 10,000, I win. Yeah, but if I die, like twice, I end the video. So let's begin. Go. Let's go. Oops. And that was my mistake. Go, guys. And that was my mistake, so it doesn't count, alright? I still have another try. Alright? So yeah. Oh no. I messed up there. No. Yeah, but I still have one more chance, so that's good. Oh no. They are right behind me, dude. Oh, man. Let's do it more than 15 coins. Yeah. I mean 15. Now we're gonna change it to 15 coins, not to 10 coins. Right? Well, I have 11 coins. Oh my goodness, what the heck is this? This is not fair, dude. Oh wait, I'm 11, dude. Oh no. Well, I said more than 50. What? Wow, good. Guys, I just have one more try. It's still 15 coins, you know, more than 15 coins. And guys, now I'm gonna put the score to like maybe 5,000 or 3,000. You know what? Let's put it to 5,000. Yes. If I reach 5,000 score, I win. But first, I need to what are these? Turn one. So guys, first I need to buy some stuff. Oh wait, for free boxes. Wow, thanks, dude. This one, thanks. And where's the? Oh yeah. I can buy this. So guys, if I reach, 10,000. You know what? 20,000. If I reach 20,000, I win. So let's begin. But I can use these, right? I can use them. Oh, you know what? Never mind. I can use them, yes, but let's change it to 30,000 or you know what? 50. Final offer. That was a mistake. Sorry. What the heck is this? That was by mistake. So I'm sorry. Hey, slowly, dude. Hey, dude. Hey, dude, slowly, dude. Just calm down. Oh my god. You know what? More than 30. A final thing I'm gonna say. If I reach 50,000, yeah, I'm close. I'm like halfway through it. Oh, that was a close. Oh, no. Wait. Oh, good. Alright. No. So, guys. Alright. I'm sorry. Oh, wow, new high score. Thanks, dude. Oh, good. Guys, so if you, what? Oh, wait, there's more. Oh, thanks. Alright, thanks. One key. Good, thanks. So, guys, if you enjoyed the video, just leave a like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Peace!